Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Toyota Tacoma TRD. A redesign for this iconic midsize truck brings bold, modern styling with advanced features that redefine capability and comfort. The Tacoma TRD stands out with its aggressive yet sleek appearance, complemented by a sturdy new chassis and a refined suspension for smoother rides over any terrain. One of the biggest updates is the transition to a turbocharged four-cylinder engine lineup. This powerhouse delivers strong performance, and with the hybrid option, you'll experience an impressive 326 horsepower and 465 pounds-ft of torque. Off-road enthusiasts will love the TRD Pro and Trail Hunter trims, built to conquer the toughest trails with advanced drivetrains and superior traction control. Inside, the Tacoma showcases a thoughtfully designed cabin with rugged yet upscale finishes. The seating is designed for comfort, offering a wide range of adjustability and ergonomic support. Passengers will also appreciate the intuitive layout, with large knobs and buttons that are easy to use, even with gloves on. The premium trims include a two-tone interior with soft touch materials and red stitching that adds a sporty touch. One of the standout features is the available 14-inch touchscreen that dominates the dashboard in higher trims. With wireless smartphone connectivity and sharp resolution, it's a hub for navigation, entertainment, and real-time vehicle information. Additionally, USB-C ports and optional wireless charging pads ensure your devices stay powered on the go. The Tacoma's versatility shines with a wide range of configurations to suit every need. Whether you're tackling challenging terrain, hauling gear, or enjoying a family outing, this truck excels in every scenario. With ample storage options inside and out, it offers the practicality you'd expect from a leader in the segment. Safety is also a priority, with advanced driver assist features standard across all trims. Adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, and automatic emergency braking make every journey safer and more convenient. In summary, the 2026 Toyota Tacoma TRD is a perfect blend of rugged capability and modern sophistication. It's designed to handle your toughest tasks while keeping you connected and comfortable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in automotive design. See you next time.